Hi, it's Naomi here, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get started with 4D concepts. So, first things first, what you need to do to get started is create your account. In order to do that, please go to fp.4dplanner.io. Once you've gotten there, you will see a screen like this, and you will have to complete the sign-up form provided. After that, we will send you a verification email. Please check your spam folder if you don't see it in your inbox. You also might have to refresh your inbox a couple of times. And then once you've received the email from us, go back and enter the handy-dandy verification code that we have sent you. Once you've verified your email, you're all set to log into your account. And then once you've logged into your brand new account, you are ready to get started. Once you get there, click on Floor Plans in the menu and then Add Floor Plan button to launch the 4D Planner and start creating some magic. For more helpful tips and tutorials, go to the support page on our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.